Hello everyone. For the 5th standard SST, we were talking about Indian freedom struggle. In the last video, we have seen that from 1800 onwards, the social reformers were there who were educate the people and saying that ask the question to the British Raj. They also urged to the people to work toward improving the condition of the women, encourage spread of modern education, and criticize about the superstitious or any practices which is harm to our society. Okay, like sati pratha or child marriage. Okay, then there is the 1857 Revolt 57, which is also known as the first war of freedom, war of independence. Today we are knowing about the 1885 formation of the Indian National in 1885 the formation of Indian National Congress has been made up. So the Indian National Congress was formed to unite Indians politically. Means what is the aim of to framing up this National Congress, Indian National Congress in 1885? The motto behind it to unite the Indians politically. Okay, so that they can fight with Britishers and they can get the freedom. Okay, leader. The INC was set up by A.O. Hume. Set up by A.O. Hume. Okay. Then a retired English official. Other leader were Dada Nauroji, Sundarnath Banerjee, and so on. Okay. Aim of the INC was the early national leaders aim to fight for freedom step by step. Means they wanted to get the freedom, but they will fight for freedom for step by step. As to the greater participation of India in administration and politics, argued of inclusion of Indians in legislative assembly and council, demanded more freedom to speak and expression, that is to be able to publish their views freely in newspaper and magazines. Okay, so what the intention is means they wanted to enter in the politics and they step by step wanted the freedom. Okay, fight for the freedom. They also demand for freely they wanted to speak or showed their views. Okay, and also that if they are saying something that should be published in the newspaper. Okay, then 1858 then 905 partition of Bengal. The next of is this 1905 partition of Bengal. So the British announced the division of Bengal into two parts. Okay, so why it is so and what are the causes of it? So the following were causes behind the partition of Bengal, means why they were wanted to divide the Bengal. So the British declared the Bengal province was too large and would be divided and make administration easier and convenient. Means Bengal, as we have seen in earlier chapter, that Bengal was the richest province where the Britishers can get the more profit from it. So what their aim is, they wanted to divide it so that they can look after this very easily, and it is not possible for them to handle it. So they wanted to divide so that they separately handled easier and conveniently. The actual purpose was the British policy of divide and rule. But behind this, what is the actual motto or reason is divide and rule. They wanted to divide this country and they wanted to rule on it. Okay, so they did not want the Hindus and Muslim in Bengal to unite against their unjust rule. Means if the Hindu and Muslims were together, they will fight for the freedom. They will be the opposed of the Britishers. So what their aim is, they don't want to Hindu or Muslim together, so that if they will do so, they will fight for their unjust rule. So they wanted to divide this Hindu and Muslim. Okay. Now this is the reason for it causes. Now what is their effect? So many Indian leaders strongly oppose the partition of Bengal. Means many leaders were opposed that it should not happen. We should not divide this Bengal in two provinces. Okay, so they felt the need to protest more effectively. Means they wanted to protest it. They don't want to be Bengal as in two. Okay, so therefore came up with the idea of Swadeshi or boycott movement. So that time this is Swadeshi and boycott movement has been started. Okay, so 1905 to 1908 Swadeshi and boycott movement. Swadeshi and movement till 1905 to 1908. Okay. Now what is this Swadeshi and boycott movement? So the Swadeshi and boycott movement continued for 3 years to protest against the partition of Bengal. Swadeshi, this movement supported to use the goods manufactured in India. Means whatever the goods made in India, that products only they need to use. Then boycott, the following are the three aspects of movement. Boycott means we are not supposed to use the goods made in the by the Britishers or other things. Like national leader appealed to Indian to boycott the stop using made of England things or other part of Europe. They encourage people to give up British job titles and not go for the British school and colleges. British goods were publicly burnt and Vande Mataram became the song of United people against the partition. Okay, so boycott, what they have done for